me to close the store and go ¡Vaya pura!
Last game takes all.
¡Vaya pura!
I got that one. Because of you? Look at Peter Alligator. Ball right there.
So Pete, it's like more and more turn on. Just gonna
Oh, shoot.
none of the fighting wasn't so because of the tournament.
Damn, 60. How you good? Did you get that, Jay?
Yeah, I got it.
Man, oh.
Not Buddha Blanc.
Alright. Just come back. Oh.
That was a test to see if you follow.
Never follow. Oh no, hold on, watch this.
You didn't miss the match.
I know.
Take Eileen with you. I think you're about to roll with her.
You want to with her? How is it? I'll take you get your twirl and I'll pay. You're going money. See that jump for it.
Dude, Peter, doesn't your phone record just like this?
Yeah.
So why don't you record then?
Oh, that's bad, right?
No, his is
No.
for HD.
Mine?
Yours is HD too. Why don't you just record it?
It's like 1280 to like 800 something.
So you mean 1280 to 720?
Yeah.
So that's not 1080p then.
No, it is 1080p. What? Let me show you.
If it's 720, then it's 720p.
No, not 720. 1920 to
1080. Yeah, that's 1080. Your record better than mine then.
Maybe since 280.
I don't know. Yes.
1920 to 1080.
No, mine's only 720.
So what's this?
Yours is 1082.
Go ahead.
The iPhone 4S is 1080.
Oh, forget yours. I was like 4.
Yeah, mine's is 4.
What, blood?
Peter, what's the score, Peter? What's the score?
6-2.
Wow. No, Primetime is winning then. Freaking G. Yeah, I know. That's what I said. Oh, look like they gave up, man.
They gave up?
No, I'm just saying, look like it. Halftime.